Hi, in this video, I will completely guide how to edit video in CapCut. Wait a few seconds and open the CapCut. Finally, CapCut is open. Click on New Project. Waiting a few seconds.
Ready to enter crypto?
Select the video you want this edit and
Click the timeline and click the velocity effects and show velocity effects. Allow detecting music and select the music you want.
ये सब क्या हो
Check
गया?
the music
कैसे हो गया?
and
इन साथी
effects.
ने मिलकर ये क्या हल कर दिया तुम्हारा? मिलकर ये क्या?
You want to text add? Click the add text and enter the text whatever high it will say. And click the animation. You want to animate this text. Any animation you select, and then effect is used for enhance your text. Text look too much gorgeous after the use of effect. Fix the subtitle below of the video.
ये सब
the option fade is used for voice filters, voice characters, speech to AI.
ये सब क्या हो गया?
Select the any character your voice is changed and you select the music
क्या हल कर दिया तुम्हारा?
do you want and fix them.
इन साथी ने मिलकर ये क्या हल कर दिया तुम्हारा?
This option is used for volume low and high, and check this. This option is used for reduce noise.
ये क्या हल कर दिया तुम्हारा?
This option is used to cut the any part of video. Check them and video and select the video effect. And select effect. What do you want?
इन साथी ने मिलकर ये क्या हल कर दिया तुम्हारा?